Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. When new, a fully discharged battery on the Google Pixel 4 requires up to 32 minutes to charge from 0 to 50% and 111 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. The Google Pixel 4 XL requires up to 35 minutes to charge from 0 to 50% and 131 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The Google Pixel 4 has a standby time of up to 259 hours and a talk time of up to 22 hours. The Google Pixel 4 XL has a standby time of up to 342 hours and a talk time of up to 29 hours. View battery usage. To view the device's battery usage, from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice, then select the settings icon. Select battery. Select the menu icon, then select battery usage. The apps and features that are consuming battery will be displayed. To view the battery usage details of a particular app or feature, select the app or feature under Battery Usage since full charge. Conserve battery life. To turn on power saving mode, from the battery screen, select Battery Saver, then select Turn On Now. To access more display options, from the settings screen, select Display. To disable adaptive brightness, select Adaptive Brightness. Select the Adaptive Brightness switch. To reduce screen brightness, select Brightness Level, then drag the brightness slider to the desired brightness setting. To set a shorter screen timeout, select the Advanced drop-down icon, then select Screen Timeout, then select the desired option. To turn off infinity wallpapers, from the display screen, select Styles and Wallpapers. Select the Wallpaper tab, then navigate to and select the desired option that is not an infinity wallpaper. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. If enabled, select Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to turn them off. To disable apps from auto-updating, from the home screen, select the Play Store app. Select the menu icon. Then select Settings. Select Auto-Update Apps. Select Don't Auto-Update Apps. Then select Done. To turn off auto-sync, from the settings screen, select Accounts. Select the Automatically Sync Data switch to disable auto-sync. Select OK to confirm. If disabling auto-sync, remember to turn it back on to allow apps to download new emails or social media posts. If you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Swipe down from the notification bar twice, then select the airplane mode icon.